Alright guys, so I've got my hands on this Samsung 870 QVO 4TB SSD. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast for anyone looking to seriously upgrade their storage. If you're tired of those long loading times and running out of space, this might be just what you need. We're talking a massive 4 terabytes here, enough to hold a ridiculous amount of games, videos, photos, you name it. It's Samsung's second-gen QLC SSD. And they're really pushing the boundaries with the storage capacity here. Now, one of the first things that impressed me is the speed. They're claiming sequential speeds up to 530 megabytes s, which is pretty darn good for a SATA drive. Plus, they've got this intelligent TurboWrite technology that boosts write speeds and keeps those speeds high even with large file transfers. No more waiting around forever for those huge files to copy. And the random access speeds are also improved, which means your system will feel snappier overall. The real kicker here is the sheer amount of space you get. This 870 QVO comes in a few different sizes, but this 4 terabytes model is a sweet spot for a lot of people. It's a huge upgrade from a smaller SSD or a traditional hard drive. Think about it. All your favorite games, your entire photo library, tons of videos, all accessible in seconds. No more deleting files to make space. Reliability is also a big deal, and Samsung has a pretty solid reputation in that department. They've doubled the TBW, terabytes written, rating on this drive compared to the previous generation, up to a whopping 2,880 TBW. That basically tells you how much data you can write to the drive before it starts to wear out, and that number is seriously impressive. Plus, you get a 3-year warranty, so you can have some peace of mind. Installing this thing is a breeze. It's a standard 2.5-inch SATA drive, so it'll fit in most desktops and laptops. Just plug it in, use their migration software, and you're good to go. No complicated setup or anything. And speaking of software, Samsung's Magician software is a really nice touch. It lets you monitor the drive's health, optimize performance, and even update the firmware. It's a really user-friendly tool that makes managing your SSD super easy. Overall, the Samsung 870 QVO 4 terabytes is a fantastic option for anyone who needs a ton of storage without breaking the bank. It's fast, reliable, and easy to install. If you're looking to upgrade your system's storage, I definitely recommend checking this one out. It's a solid performer that offers a great balance of capacity, speed, and affordability. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.